Hello everyone. What about today? Oh, maybe you all are thinking, what am I doing today with this? I'm only trying to get the thing, what to be taught, what to be delivered. It means I'm delaying for my delivery. Maybe I have no idea. And so you might have seen this is very common seen for school children. Right, being an English teacher, I find in my classroom when I ask questions to my students to be answered, and they start, answer me, yes sir, answer me, let me think, sir. So these are common expressions that they use every time. What are the other expressions that we can use if we wish to delay answer? If we wish to delay answering, right? So other than having this, getting your finger at your right chin and getting at this common gesture to think about, right? So there are expressions, and first of all, when you wish to delay answering, is let me get this right. Let me get this right means it shows that you have little confusion with the answer and you want some time. So you can also say let me get this right. Next, it is an interesting question, right? In many shows or television, you might have seen in Kapil Sharma show and in over news channels. Many a time when speaker is little bit confused, when speaker does not wish to answer the question, then they simply go on with this that it is an interesting question. Right? It means he is delaying answering. He is only wishing that he is not at all interested to answer this. So this is the formal way and smart way to delay answering by saying it is an interesting question. Next in the sequence that it is on the tip of my tongue. It is on the tip of my tongue. Means you want to show that the answer of the question is very easy, but hidden meaning of this sentence or this expression is you are delaying answering. When you say it is at the tip of my tongue. Okay? Next. Now let me think. Let me think. It means you are asking to allow yourself to think about the question you are going to answer for. So, if you wish to delay here, you can say, now let me think. Next, how shall I put it? How shall I put it? It means once again you are giving yourself little bit time to think, to recall. Why? Because you are not ready for the answer on the spot. You are not ready to speak spontaneously. So you can give yourself little bit time by expressing yourself in such a way that how shall I put it? Next, very common, just a second. Once again, being an English teacher, my students, they express themselves many a times in the classroom with this. Sir, just a minute, sir. Sir, just a second, sir. So this is also a kind of expression that we can use if we wish to delay answering. So all these ways to express when you wish to delay answering, use them in your speaking. Why? Because it comes under smart speaking. Right? In next session, I would be coming with such more expressions on different situation. Till then, good.